Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I am back with an unboxing of the La La Land April 22nd, 2022 coloring and card making virtual event. It is a mouthful. So this is the first La La Land event that I've ever done. They've always been in person, so I'm really excited that they're going to virtual, and I really hope that all these companies go to virtual. Or have a virtual option at least maybe once a year like Samjoy does, so that you don't have to like fly or drive someplace where it will cost you a lot more money. That way you can spend money on their product instead. And so I am loving the kit. I have already opened it. They are having an unboxing event on Facebook. If you are a member of that, this video will go live well after that event probably. But anyway, I wanted to show you what was in the box so that if you're ever on the fence of whether you want to go, sometimes the kit will kind of push you over the edge. And I love the kit so much that I went ahead and signed up for the other event that they have in, I think, September. I think I paid for the deposit for it, and that is a much more expensive event. I think this one was $250 and that one's like $450. That one's pretty expensive. I have no idea why that one is so expensive, so I'll get to maybe compare and find out. Okay, so the first thing that I saw when I opened up my kit was this binder. It is, I don't know, maybe 9 by 6, and it's printed with a cute little Marcy. It says practice makes progress, and basically this is designed to hold these little sheets for coloring. And so there is it's a coloring event. So there's one, I think one Prisma color pencils class, there's one I think distress watercolor, and then the rest are all Copic marker. And then I guess you could just put these little cards in the sleeves and then you can keep them. So I love it. I'm excited about it. I have to just find my Prisma pencils because I know I have Prisma pencils. I just don't know where they are because I rarely use color pencils. But anyway, that should be fun. So we get that binder. And then something else that we got is in this box. Actually, I'm gonna put that separately. We got this paper pack, which is Life Documented 6x6 paper pad. And then we've got all the class kits. So I guess any items that are not included have been die cut for us to be ready for the different classes. So like there's day 2, class 2, day 2, class 1, day 2, class 3, and there's lots of pieces in these things. Day 2, class 3, there's day 1, class 3, day 1, class 3, day 1, class 1. We also got one of these little doohickeys to put sequins in. So we got sequins, day 1, class 2, day 1, class 2. So they're all these different pieces in here cut up for us, ready for class. So, and we got that paper pad. And I want to put everything back in the box because I want to be able to find everything for my kit. Then we also got this La La Land card making workshop bag. I don't know if this is something we're going to color in or not. Anyway, we got this bag. And we got, I'm going to show you the stamps and dies in a second, but I kind of wanted to show you everything else in here. And we also got some other papers and things that are in here. There is like black paper. Let's see what else is in here. Looks like there is chipboard in here. So some chipboard, and then there's various different pieces of like white and gold and various different types of papers in here that are probably going to get used for this class. So I'm going to put everything back in here because I'm going to show you the really good stuff. Put that down to the really good stuff. So put this along here. Okay, so let's see. We've got stamps. And we also have dies, which I already have this die, but everything else is stuff I do not have. So let's start with the dies. So we got these fish dies. I'm pretty sure that I have these because I think they either came with or they were an add-on to one of the kits. It might have been one of the boxes that I bought. So I do have that one, but this one is a suitcase. Took me a second to figure that out, but it's a suitcase die. And then this one says smile, and it comes with a layering die. And then the stamp sets, there are 2 clear. So this one is Turtley Awesome. Very, very cute. I don't think I have this one. I don't know if these are all like new or not, but I'm going to have to look and make sure because I know I have one turtle one, but I think it's different than this one. So, and then there's this one right here, which is called Nailed It, and it seems like it's a Father's Day oriented stamp. And then the Marcy's and the Luca's. So this one's Marcy with suitcase. She's adorable. That's probably why we get a suitcase die, because we have a Luca with suitcase as well. So it's good luck on your new adventure, packed with memories. So, and then we have Luca with suitcase, which is adorable. And then this one is Jumping for Joy Marcy. And then this one is Marcy with camera. So I don't know if all of these are, I think that these are not out yet stamps. I think, because I don't have any of these. So that's exciting. So I think that's one of the things I really love about these. Sometimes they're exclusive products when you do these types of virtual classes. Sometimes they're just products that are coming out early that are not out yet. But either way, I was really excited. I really, really like the stamps that came with it. And this one wasn't too badly priced. I think this was $2.50. And then I think you got a discount if you paid for it early. But so this is the kit for the card making event. And then after the event, after I've made all the cards, because I don't know if I'm going to be able to be there the whole day because there's like 2 full days, I will then do some videos on the actual event so that you guys can see like what I made. So I think these are really helpful because when I looked for information about virtual events and what kind of projects you make from La La Land, I didn't see a single video, and I'm sure they're out there, but I didn't see anything. So I find them really helpful to know whether it's something that you might want to do in the future, because they are definitely pricey. And she's a master colorer. She does all kinds of designs and things with Copics, and so I'm excited about the Copic coloring part. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy of Create the Heart.